Hello guys, welcome to Romjo Hacks YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at how you can change the MAC address for your Linux operating system using Macchanger. Macchanger is the one of the tools which comes to install in your Linux OS. And changing your MAC address is a way, or is one of the ways you can stay anonymous within your network. So for you to run the tool Macchanger, first of all, let's open our CLI or our command line interface. And the moment you open your terminal or your CLI, the first thing is to check the current MAC address by typing ifconfig. Check the current MAC address and also the interface. So this is the interface which I'm currently using, ETH0. That is the interface which I am currently using, and this is my MAC address, of which is my permanent MAC address. So now, since we have identified the interface and the permanent MAC address, so it's high time now we see how you can change the MAC address. So before that, let's check the help page for our Macchanger. So for you to obtain the help page for your Macchanger, let's first of all obtain the root permissions. So we need to type sudo su, type your password. So now let's check the help page for our Macchanger. Macchanger-h to get the help page. You can see there are some different options which have been displayed there. We have -h, we have -v, -s. So all those options perform different tasks. So we are going to use a few of them in this tutorial, and then in the next tutorial we'll be using some more options. You can also check the man page for Macchanger. So if you type man Macchanger, you'll get some deeper information related to Macchanger. Then after you're done with the reading, just press Q to quit. So now, before we change our MAC address, let's use Macchanger to investigate what is the current MAC address and the permanent MAC address which we are using at the moment. So we use Macchanger -s, then the interface ETH0, then you enter. So you can see there we are using, at this moment, I'm using the permanent MAC address. That is the reason as to why you can see we have the current MAC address is the same as permanent MAC address. So that tells you I'm using, or in the network I'm connected to, I'm using my permanent MAC address. But at this point, I need to be anonymous. That is the reason as to why I have to assign my machine a random MAC address. So for us to assign our machine a random MAC address, first of all, we need to power off our interface. We need to power off our interface by typing ifconfig ETH0, the interface, and then down to power off the interface. Then you enter. So as you can see, my connection I've been disconnected from the internet, as you can see. So now, since I've powered off my interface, it's high time now we change the MAC address. And for us to change the MAC address, we use Macchanger. -r, we are going to assign a random MAC address, -r, and then the ETH0 or the interface. Then after that, you enter. So as you can see, I've changed my MAC address. So still I'm using the current MAC address, but there is a new MAC address which has been displayed there. So the moment I power on my interface, that is the MAC address which I'll start using at that point. So after changing the MAC address, the next step is you power up or you power on your interface. And for you to power on your interface, you use ifconfig ETH0 up. Then you enter. So your interface will be up and you'll be connected back to the internet. So after powering up our interface, let's check the current MAC address or the MAC address which we are using at this point. And for us to check the current MAC address, we use Macchanger -s. If 0, then you enter. So you can see at this point, the current MAC address has changed. Current MAC address has changed to this one. And if you want to confirm whether really that is the MAC address you're using at this point, you can use ifconfig to confirm. You can use ifconfig to confirm, and you're going to get the same MAC address at this point. So that tells you that is the MAC address you're using at that particular time. And you can see even the IP address. There is a lot of information, or there is a lot of data which has been displayed here, and I'll be coming up with a tutorial to explain each and every bit of that data. So having understood how to change your MAC address, in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can specify a particular MAC address, or how you can set a specific MAC address. Instead of using a random one, you can decide, you can settle for a particular MAC address which you'll be assigning to your machine. And I will also be creating a tutorial to explain how we can automate these tasks, and then schedule a script in a way that, we'll be coming up with a script. We schedule that script to be run the moment we restart our machine. So please make sure you subscribe, share the video, so that you may be able to get updates when a new video or when a new tutorial has been uploaded.